I'm Christy Hartman. Welcome back to my channel. This is a set, a 6 by 6 inch set from my Mind's Eye, which don't know how long I've had it. I just found it in my stash. And it was all craft paper. And I think it might be kind of fun to alter. So we're going to give it a shot. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's do an ombre using those three colors. Ooh, very nice. Got a little bit on it. Let's just leave this. See if I can keep that. And let's put manganese in the center. Let's put Prussian blue on either end. Yeah, kind of obliterated it, but you know, it's not bad. Let's just try a single color on this, see if we can pull some of this up. Ooh, I kind of love that. Let's see if we can pull this up with a little Quin Magenta. Let's try Pyro Orange and Quin Magenta. Sorry, instead of the Pyro Orange, let's try this. Since we have this on here, now let's go with the Pyro Orange. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at the transfer we got. Still got a little bit of the turquoise on the inside. Let's try this teal again. Maybe not quite as much. And let's do the Quin Magenta on the outside. Let's pull it with this Pyro Orange. This is a PBO, 357. Let's put manganese blue in the center. Let's see if we can pull a little bit more up off of this. Phthalo blue. Let's do Quin Magenta. Let's do Pyro Orange. Oh my gosh, that is going to be awesome. That's beautiful too. Let's pull this with benzimidazolone Yellow Light. Oh, that is going to be super cool. Look at how fun that's going to be. All right, we're going to let that sit for a minute. Now that is super cool. Quin Magenta, and Pyro Orange. We're going to do the yellow again. same yellow. I want to try this one, and I really, really like the orange and magenta, so let's do it again. Okay, let's pull it up. Oh yeah, I got a little bit of transfer there, and that is beautiful. Let's try the teal. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this altering of this cardstock, basically. I think we had some success. I'm pretty happy with the results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, share it with your friends. I always could use some new subscribers, and I'll see you in my next video.